Hello everyone, Carmine from New York here. This is the TTartisan 50mm Neo. Let's look at some photographs first. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Carmine from New York here at a beautiful New York City park called Wolf's Pond Park. Today I want to show you everything I possibly can about the Neo, that just means new, TTartisan 50mm f1.8 autofocus lens. This one happens to be the E-mount on the Sony NEX6, which is a crop sensor, which means that you'll be shooting at a focal length equivalent to a 75mm lens. We're going to run it through its paces. We're going to try some backlighting to see how close we can get on things. And we're going to run through some special effects that the camera has through the lens to see what that does. So, all right, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take the camera and we're going to photograph this grouping of trees, which I love, and I've been photographing this section for over a dozen years. So we're going to photograph it in different modes, okay? The Sony NEX6 has different scenes, right? Different modes that you can photograph it in. And let's run it through its paces. Now this willow tree really makes for a gorgeous foreground of the trees. What I like about the Sony NEX6, by the way, is the colors are just wonderful. What I should do is show you how the lens works backlit. So I'll come over here and I'll photograph the willow backlit, and we'll see how that works out. By the way, the close focus on this is, it's not that close. It's like 18 inches. Some nice sun flares if you like that. Let's look at some picture effects we can get with the Sony NEX6 and the TTartisan 50mm Neo. This is 52mm filter thread on the front. It does come with a lens hood. It's full frame, like I mentioned, 165 grams, not too heavy, 7 aperture blades. It's an E-mount version. That's the one I bought. Comes in L mount, E mount, and Z. Let's see, there's no manual focus. There's no aperture ring. Metal lens mount. Now, the USB-C port is in the rear lens cap, and that's how you update the firmware on the lens. The minimum aperture is f16. Oh, by the way, the word Neo, which is this brand now, TTartisan Neo, the word Neo just means new. All right, guys, so that has been the TTartisan 50mm Neo. Let me know in the comments what you think about the photographs. All right, guys, give me a thumbs up, comment below, become a member of this channel. It's less than $1. Carmine from New York here with another great video. I hope. All right, today we're at a New York City park. It's called Wolf's Pond Park, and it got its name from the previous landowner 100 years or more ago, who owned this gorgeous piece of land right on the Atlantic Ocean. Many acres. What it was his farm, and he also made a pond for cleaning oysters that were harvested from the from the ocean here around New York City. Oystermen would rake the ocean bottom, by the coast, and they would take those oysters. And they had to be cleaned, get all the sand and stuff out, and they would put them in Mr. Wolf's pond. Which was fresh water right by the ocean, and they would stay in there for a certain amount of time, and they would be cleaned out and then reharvested and sold. So that's the story with the name. Okay. Jolly and drown melancholy. Take a health to